My country people, another tori don shele o. Tori wey we gather let us know say Nigerian popular singer Innocent ldibia, wey everybody know as TUBABA, don score goal for another woman belle. We hear say TUBABA don already get 7 pikin from different women. Na sometimes ago we hear say Two-Face talk am openly say im don dey tired to dey give woman belle anyhow sake of say im don become innocent now. How dis one come take shele? Abeg, if you ask me, na who I go ask? Make una no forget say na 2 days ago Two-Face share public apology to im legal wife Annie ldibia and family say make dem forgive am for not being a good father.
If I was cheating on him.
Well, are you?
Yes. He was right. I've seen someone.
Na after dis public apology, kasala come burst to say TUBABA dey expect another baby from a woman wey be banker. Different reactions don dey come up since the news of the pregnancy come out. Some people say after all the renewal of vows, e still went ahead to repeat the same mistake for the 100th time. Other people talk say it's really embarrassing. Annie will feel so terrible. Is she not enough for you? One person even say, Omo, I even thought Two-Face has calmed down. Wetin come surprise person be say all dis allegation no show for Annie body as she begin share video of her jollification on top her Instagram page.
Loving you. The ways that I truly wanna feel you, girl, trust me to believe you, but they keep on saying like you're not the one for me. They keep on praying, say you will never be there for me. They keep on saying crazy things about you, them forget say they don't.
If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.